Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry Lau and today is Friday, March the 15th, 2019 and the time is 4:30 a.m. GMT. So today we will be looking at the chart of the Nasdaq. This is a 45 minutes chart, short-term structure here, and we can see that the Nasdaq ended with 4 at the 69.65 low, and since then has rallied, and the rally looks impulsive. You can see subdivision here, 1 2 3 4 5, ended with 1 over here. So this is obviously with 105, right? So it's a with 105, and we are looking for a correction of this rally now, and so far it looks like we can count 1 2 3 4 and then 5, looks like. Okay, so which means that we could be only in the first leg here as a diagonal, right? We could be in the first leg, and then we should see possibly another leg lower to finish an EPC correction zigzag. And then as far as this pivot is holding here, okay, we can see still further upside in the Nasdaq at this stage. All right, now of course if it breaks above here, okay, then that means possibly that, you know, the wave 2 maybe has completed here, or maybe it is still within the wave 5 of 1, right? But as far as it stays below here, tomorrow we can see a little bit more sell-off, okay, in the stock market to finish this 3 swings pullback here in the case of the Nasdaq. And then as far as this low is holding, we can then resume the rally again to the upside. If we look at the larger degree time frame, this is the 4-hour. Now we can see since we bottomed at December last year, okay, we've been rallying so far until today, until March, and this rally also looking like a 5-way move, right? And as you can see in the 1-hour chart earlier, this pullback to 69.65 ended with 4, right? So this should be your 3, and then somewhere around here should be 1 and 2 here, right? And so the rally is in a 5 waves from December low, and we are within the wave 5 before we end this entire rally from December low. Then we will get at least a big 3-ways pullback, at least something like this, right? Now the question is the wave 5 done, or is the wave 5 going to keep extending higher, right? That's the only question. Now so the key level is going to be this one, right? This is going to be the key level. If this pivot gives up, you know that, okay, this cycle is over, and then Nasdaq is going to correct larger degree. Now as of now, we are still calling another extension to the upside based on some correlation analysis with other indices that also still looking for further upside. But as an alternate for Nasdaq, we can count this 1 2 3 4 5 in the 1 hour, right? So as an alternate, again, if you look at the larger degree, so instead of this is ending a wave 1 of 5, right? Instead of ending with 1 of 5, and then with a 2 of 5, 3, 4 of 5, 5 of 5, this entire move could have ended the wave 5 already. So instead of wave 1 of 5, this could be your wave 5. And then if that's the case, then we could be ending this cycle and starts to correct larger degree, right? So that will be the alternate. But until then, we are calling the more aggressive view that this is only ending with 1 of 5 now, and so we should be getting further extension higher as far as this pivot here remains intact, 69.65. Okay, so that's what we are looking at the Nasdaq here today. And if you are interested to see the next update or other instrument, you can feel free to try our service. We have 14 days free trial, and the link is in the description of the video. Otherwise, I see you all again next week. Okay, and have a good weekend, everyone.